Patio Door Installation. Washington, D.C. is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. Our expert patio door contractors in D.C. specialize in custom patio doors, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Whether you need sliding door replacement or French door installation in D.C., our team provides top-notch services tailored to your needs. Energy-efficient patio doors in Washington, D.C. are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our door insulation services in D.C. include door seal replacement and door weatherproofing to keep your home energy efficient. We offer a range of energy-efficient patio doors in D.C. to suit any style and budget. Patio Door Installation. Washington is vital for maintaining the functionality and security of your doors. Our services include patio door alignment, door hinge installation, and patio door track installation in D.C. We also provide door lock installation and patio door security solutions to keep your home safe. Glass door installation in Washington, D.C. is a popular choice for homeowners seeking a modern and stylish look. Our patio door contractors in D.C. offer a variety of glass door options, including patio door glass replacement and patio door screen installation. Enhance your home's aesthetic with our expert glass door installation services in D.C. Door frame replacement in Washington is necessary for maintaining the structural integrity of your doors. Our team specializes in door jamb replacement and door threshold replacement in D.C., ensuring your doors are secure and functional. Trust our experts for all your door frame replacement needs in Washington, D.C. Patio door maintenance in D.C. is essential for prolonging the life of your doors. Our services include patio door adjustment, door hardware replacement, and patio door handle replacement in Washington. Regular maintenance ensures your doors operate smoothly and efficiently. Custom patio door installation. Washington, D.C. offers a unique and personalized touch to your home. Our patio door contractors in D.C. work with you to design and install doors that match your style and preferences. Choose from a variety of materials and finishes for your custom patio doors in D.C. Door weatherproofing in Washington is crucial for protecting your home from the elements. Our door insulation services in D.C. include door seal replacement and door threshold replacement to keep your home comfortable year-round. Ensure your doors are weatherproof with our expert services in Washington, D.C. Door insulation services. Washington are essential for maintaining energy efficiency in your home. Our team provides comprehensive door insulation services, including patio door glass replacement D.C. and door jamb replacement Washington. We also specialize in patio door track replacement D.C. and patio door adjustment D.C. to ensure optimal performance. In Washington, D.C., patio door hardware D.C. is a key component of our services, offering a range of options to suit your style and needs. Our door weatherproofing Washington services protect your home from the elements, while our door hinge replacement Washington ensures your doors operate smoothly. Trust our patio door contractors D.C. for all your patio door needs.